Hi, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2018 Dodge Ram 2500 with a Cummins diesel engine in it. Customer's complaint was that, the low coolant light was constantly on in the vehicle. They had checked it themselves and verified that the level of coolant was in the correct position, but they couldn't figure out why this message kept coming up on their dash. On these particular vehicles, the position of the coolant level sensor in the reservoir causes it to get a false reading. Sometimes the sensors themselves go bad. We did some testing on the sensor and testing on the circuit to make sure that the circuit was good, which it was, but the sensor tested bad. I went ahead and got a new sensor for it, stuck it in there. These ones are a little bit tricky. You got to take the inner fender liner out to get access to that sensor, but got a new one put in, started the vehicle up, let it run for a little while. No more low coolant level message on the dash. Customer was really happy with the repair because it can be a little bit annoying for that thing to be dinging at you all the time. So if you got some lights on your dash and you're not sure really why they're on or what's going on and you'd like an opinion on that, we do offer free estimates. My name is Dan. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.